Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Yes, children, in previous class, I have thought about our nation. Know your nation. This lesson is about our national anthem, national emblem. And the lesson is about the interaction between the teacher and the student. See, half of the lesson I have thought about that lesson, previous class only. Now I am going to continue the class. Arjun, thank you teacher. I did not know these things. From now on, I will love and respect my motherland like my own mother. See, teacher has given him few points about our nation. Teacher has told them we have our national bird, we have our national animal, we have our national flower. Teacher has told everything. She has given the knowledge for the students. But few students was not knowing all about this. After teacher tells all this, they felt very happy by listening and getting knowledge, gaining the knowledge. Now, Arjun was telling that to the teacher. He was replying to the teacher, thank you teacher, I did not know these things. He was not knowing that things. From now on, I love and respect my motherland like my own mother. See, children, we should give respect to our motherland. Which is our country? India is our country. We should give respect to our motherland. India is our motherland. It is like our own mother. How we give respect to our parents? How you give respect to your mom? Like that only we have to give respect to the motherland also, our country. Now what teacher is giving the answer? Let us read. Teacher, good. We should not only respect our national symbols but also protect from abusing. See children, now we should give respect and we should protect about our nation. See, this abusing means, what is the meaning of abusing? To say rude things or to treat someone or something badly. See, abusing means talking wrong about our different countries. Now for example, now cricket will be playing India and Pakistan. They'll be playing, no children, and we love our country. We all support Indian. We don't support Pakistan. We will be abusing them. Yes or no? We always support our India. So, we should protect our nation. We should not abuse other countries also. They are our neighbors. They are like our brothers and sisters. So, we should not abuse anybody. If anybody abuse our country, about our country, we should protect them. We should not make them give the chance to abuse our country. See the student what she is telling. Varsha, I stand at attention wherever our national anthem is being sang. See, every day you come to school, we will sing a national anthem. What we will do? The caution will be given from the leaders. Attention, stand at ease. We should stand in attention position. We give respect to our national anthem. We should give respect to our national anthem. Wherever it is sang, we should stand up. Even though let it be in TV also, when we are watching in the house, we should give respect to our national anthem. We should stand and give respect. Teacher, that's fine. Even though August 15 is a holiday, We can pay tributes to our country by taking an activity part in national festivals. Now see here children, in August 15, on the August 15th, we celebrate our Independence Day. Yes or no? Now for you all, we will prepare some programs for you all. We will give you all some activities to do. What we'll give? Fancy dress will be giving you all. We'll be giving you all to speak a few words about independence, and we will be taking for mass PT for the ground, municipal ground. Like this, we have to participate in all national festivals. In every national festival is we should think that is our own festival. Teacher is replying that that's fine. That's fine. We have to give respect to our national festivals, and we have to participate, active participate we have to do. We have to give a speech about our Independence Day. We will dance. Children will participate in dancing. Children will participate in fancy dress. Like that we have to. Now Dasara, Deepavali and this one Eid Milad, Christmas. How you celebrate your festivals? Taking new dress, making sweets in the house. Yes or no children? Like that only we have to celebrate our national festival also. With great proud, with great happiness, we have to celebrate our national festivals. Student, we love our country. We are proud to be Indians. See, students are telling that to the teacher, we are proud to become an Indian. We have to protect our nation. Yes or no children? If anybody will talk anything wrong about our country, what we have to do? We have to stop them. We have to give respect to our nation. We have to tell them. We should not speak about the other countries also, and nobody should speak about our country also. We have to protect our country. Teacher, now let us all say Jai Hind. Let us all say Jai Hind means teacher is telling the lesson is over and teacher told last Jai Hind. Students also Jai Hind they told. Now when you give the speech on Independence Day, August 15th, Republic Day, the children will speak. After speech what they say Jai Hind. They conclude their speech with Jai Hind. Like this also teacher also has told the students. Now let us say Jai Hind. And students also happily, they felt very proud about our country and they told Jai Hind. Hope you all understood children. Thank you children.